So Machinist Inc. was founded in 1941 by Hugh LeBougier's grandfather. In 1971, Hugh's father, Larry, took it over. And about that same time, Machinist Inc. became a key supplier to Boeing. Hugh took it over in 1992. And we started out as a repair center, fixing a lot of the broken things in Seattle, such as in the timber industry and things like that. And even today, you can see it's one of our key customer bases where we're fixing the Ballard Bridge parts that are broken. Machinist Inc. has a very diversified customer base. In the aerospace industry, we work with Boeing and Airbus and a lot of the Tier 1 suppliers for Boeing and Airbus. We also work in the satellite industry with General Dynamics and in the space flight with Blue Origin and SpaceX. So we also work a lot in the marine industry. We work with the Coast Guard, we work with the Navy, and a lot of the ship manufacturers here and retrofitters here in Seattle. One of the key customers there is Nauticon, where we're making large nozzles for the offshore tugs. These nozzles improve the fuel performance tremendously on the tugs. In the other areas, such as commercial, we work with Genie, the lift manufacturers, where we do a lot of production work for them in their larger lifts. In aerospace, primarily, we support the tooling aspect of airplane building. And it's tooling from A to Z, whether it's drill fixtures or assembly fixtures, transportation equipment, you name it. If Boeing needs it, Machinist Inc. will manufacture it. Currently, we have a lot of Boeing work statement going on. For the 777X, we've been working on a lot of tools. We also do a lot of fixtures for the Frederickson facility for their hangars. We're working on some verticalizing tools for Frederickson. And for the 737 line, we're working on some thrust reverser tools. This part was actually a design build. Machinist Inc. was responsible for the design and the manufacture and the installation of this part. This tool actually replaced an existing tool that is not capable of handling the larger ribs that are required for the 777X program. Machinist Inc. is working heavily on the 777X program. We've done several thousand of hours worth of work on the tooling and research and development tools for them and for their projects over the last year. Machinist Inc. will hire throughout the year for the various positions, whether it be in skilled machinists or fabricators or assembly technicians. We're always looking for good people. We're getting contacted all the time by other states and communities to potentially move or to open a facility in their location. Machinist Inc. has been here since 1941 in the South Park neighborhood. We really have no intention of going anyplace else. This is centrally located both for the north and the south end. And we also find that our customers like this central location, and we feel it supports their needs the best. A good example of how Machinist Inc. has reinvested back in their employees is we've had a dozen of our employees go through the AJAC training program, the Aerospace Joint Apprenticeship Committee program. These people have invested 4 years of their time, and we've invested in their education through this program. They are now journeyman machinists. Machinist Inc. is located in the South Park neighborhood, and there's some wonderful little restaurants and community things in the downtown South Park area, such as Jalisco's restaurant or Loretta's, where we'll also run into a lot of the Boeing employees there. We really appreciate you taking the time to come visit here at Machinist Inc. It's a company that is very diverse, very capable, and we like to share what we can do and share to the community how we are supporting